To add movement to images in CapCut for a PC using keyframes, start by dragging your image onto the timeline. For a zoom and move animation, select the image clip and move the playhead to the starting point, then add keyframes for scale and position. Move the playhead to the end, increase the scale to zoom in, and adjust the position as needed. For smoother motion, right-click on the keyframe, select Show Variable Speed Animation, and choose Auto Curve to apply smooth easing. For the pan animation, add a keyframe for position at the start, then move the playhead to the end and drag the image left or right while keeping the vertical position consistent. For a zoom with spin animation, add keyframes for scale and rotate at the start. Then at the end, adjust the scale and rotate values accordingly. Preview your timeline to see all animations in action.